Okay, for 88, they're asking us to find the missing length or area. So A, they're really saying, what is the square root of 225, right? Because they're telling us it's a square. So you should start to know the common ones. So the square root of 225 is 15. So each side length, or x, is 15 centimeters. Okay? For B, they want us to find the area, so they're asking us what is 11 centimeters times 11 centimeters, or 11 centimeters squared, right? And that comes out to 121 centimeters squared. For C, we have a rectangle, and they're saying it's 5 times the width equals 100. So we divide both sides by 5, right? And we get W comes out to be 20 meters, right? And the last one, they want us to find the side lengths of the square. So they're really asking us to find the square root of 150, right? And the reason they're asking us that is because we know y times y, or y squared, equals 150. So we take the square root of both sides, right, and we get y equals root 150. I'm okay if you leave it just like that for now. We don't know how to simplify radicals, and I'd rather you leave it in radical form versus typing it into your calculator. If you did type it into your calculator, you're going to get about 12 and a quarter, something around there. Okay, but I am okay if you leave it in radical form. Actually, I prefer it.